Hello guys, how are you? Today we will talk about injection SOX 5 proxies. Okay, all sites sell you injection with HTTP tape only. So SOX 5 is better. And now we can inject it in our mobiles simply by this way. First we go to proxy, professional proxy. Then we buy a daily rotating proxy, or you can use the same way to a revolving proxy or Al-Ghawali package. Okay, now we buy a daily rotating proxy. It is only for $0.55. So we can choose SOX 5. Now we have cellular or Wi-Fi. That's when you buy cellular only. That doesn't mean that you can't work with your Wi-Fi network in your mobile. Okay, that means you are using a coverage towers. Okay, coverage towers proxies. Okay, that what is mean cellular only. But Wi-Fi is stable more than cellular. Okay, everything it has its work. Okay, you can use whatever you want, but Wi-Fi is more stable. Now we choose Wi-Fi. We choose IP whitelist, so we can inject our IP. Let's see our IP. This is my IP. I copy it, paste it. Okay, done. Now we can continue the flow of the buying the proxy. You can select a specific US state or specific US provider, okay, or country outside America. But what is the difference? When you buy specific US state, you should make sure that you are choose the provider after buying the proxy, okay? And when you choose buying proxy with a specific US provider, you should target your state after buying the proxy. Okay, does it clear? So I will buy specific US state, and then after buying I can choose a provider. Okay, Florida, choose 30-minute rotation. Now I turn off manually. طيب. When I choose off, that doesn't mean the IP will not rotate automatically, okay? But you will have the IP for a long time, okay? Until the IP is disconnected from the source. So when I choose off, when I choose manual only, that doesn't mean the IP will not rotating, okay? It may rotate if the IP disconnected from the source. So I choose off, so I can use the IP for a long time, a long period. Now I choose fast only, fast proxies. When you are trying to create a site, a survey site or something, you are working on it, you can choose slow proxies. It is more more cleaner. Okay. Now I will buy. Okay, there are some notes, so you can read it. We don't recommend it T-Mobile. It is bad. Okay. Now we copy the IP. Now we copy the IP address. Okay. And go to our Wi-Fi. We open Wi-Fi network and go to details, to proxy section. We put manual, put the IP here. You should know it is SOX, not HTTP, so it is faster and safer. We put the IP here and the port here. and would save. Now let's check our IP. So as you see, it is perfectly connected with SOX 5 and not HTTP. It is more safer for your work, and sites don't see the proxy, okay? It is safer than HTTP proxies. Now, let me disable the VPN. It is not needed for this time. I go to VPN and disable it. So some apps may notice the super proxy or turn to sucks out or turn to tap, okay? So we can use this way, and even they know about HTTP proxies, okay? So we disable this after we inject our SOX 5 in the Wi-Fi, and let's try to check it. We go to IP API.co. As you see, it is work perfectly. Let's try on where.com. Sorry about internet connection. So you can find zero low risk for our proxies. It is perfect for survey works, games sites. It is amazing, okay? Now, I hope you will find this video helpful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.